Hey, what's up? Happy Saturday. Thanks for tuning in. On Friday, I'll be going to Vegas to fly with some folks there. And I tested this today, just doing some basic rips. And then suddenly, I lost video. And then also, I heard like failsafe from my radio. So I was wondering why. And I found out, look, so most likely the battery was loose. Yeah, see? So guys, yeah, before you go out on a major trip, check every part. So what I did today, I fixed it. I installed a new one. I installed a new one right there, okay? And then I also secured everything. The arm was loose as well. And then I modified the mount so that way it's much more easier for me to move the mount from one drone to another. So this is just a PETG um, like shaft. It's like a shaft. You know what a shaft is, right? So all I have to do, I can just pull it like that. Instead of the previous aluminum that I was using, yeah, the color blue one, yeah, this one, and I have to use this to be able to remove it. It was such a pain. Now all I have to do is to use my fingers and then. So yeah, I've been doing few changes today, and then right now I'm printing another mount, but it's gonna be meant for portrait mode. Yeah, you know the portrait, right? For mobile, for cell phone. Yeah, so I want to try that. Yeah, guys, I'm so glad that I figured out what was going on, and yeah, that was the culprit. Yeah, the connector, guys. I didn't notice it. All right, catch you later, guys. Enjoy your Saturday.